start our days off. Y'all know how we start our days off. Cold start. And this is gonna be the last stock cold start. Like stock exhaust cold start. So let's go ahead and get back there, man. Alright, vlog, we gotta find a way to get that. All of that stuff to fit in here. Let's make it happen. Boom. Ooh, it's cold. We got everything to fit in there, man. So I'll see you guys at my friend's house. This is why you get the regular ZL1, not the 1LE. The 1LE, you can't fold the seat down. On the regular ZL1, you can. We about to go put his exhaust on.
And we about to get loud.
Cause the stock exhaust was louder than I thought it was. When I show you guys the stock clips versus the AWE clips, it was actually louder than what I thought. I'll see you guys at his house though. As y'all can see, we started. Nah, I'm talking to the camera. As y'all can see, man, we already started taking all the little plugs and everything off. We're taking the whole stock catback off, so. Made it all the way back to the stock muffler, taking off all these 3 bolts. You already loosened all the hangers. As you can see, on both sides, the hangers up there too. You loosen up the secondary cats, connect to the main cats. I guess I could just gonna time lapse the rest. I'm pretty sure y'all already know how to. There's so many videos of you guys, of people putting these, taking the cats off, the stock, catback and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna time lapse it. Here we go. Let's start it for YouTube. Let's start it.
Race car life, baby.
Man, let's start. Let's start it. Let's start it.
You're lucky I got a scanner. It's gonna throw a code without your O2 plugged in.
Oh fuck.
You're starting. I got my scanner. It's just gonna throw a code.
Fine, you can clear the code.
No, not that loud. It's not. I told you it wasn't gonna be that loud. No. Now without them cats. So I had to take out that little support bracket in the middle. We took off our secondary. We took off my secondary cat so we could get a good cut. And now after. Now go ahead, like and subscribe, man. I know you done took the whole damn shit off. I like the video, man. Hellcat. After we install secondary cat, so we're gonna install the exhaust.
I got you here.
Yep. Y'all can see, man, we finally finised. How long did it take? Like
About an hour and a half.
shit, but it took about like 10 business days. But yeah, man. Like at that first start. Can't even see the tips. It's dark as heck outside. There we go. Both sides. Sure. Appreciate it, my boy. Hey. Can't do it without y'all. Now let me help you clean up. It's how you get like headers and shit though.
Yeah.
It's gonna be loud. That's like two years down the line though.
You know what's a damn good exhaust when it sounds better with an actual exhaust on it than when it's just, you know, straight out.
You finally hear the exhaust on. Man, I remember when I was racing that Whipple Mustang, you couldn't hear my exhaust in the video.
Right.
Man.
Let's see how I do on the road. Follow him in the Hellcat.
As y'all can see, man, it is the next day, y'all. And we gonna see what this cold start sound like. This gonna be the first cold start with the exhaust on, and we're gonna get my wife's reaction also. So let's go ahead, start it up.
Wow, man, I heard it snowing up. I'm like,
oh, you're right. I'm sorry. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't really give install instructions because I'm pretty sure you guys have seen many catback installations. I just gave a little snippets and some funny clips, man. But man, hope you guys enjoyed the exhaust and how it sounded, the little clips. Stay tuned for the next video because I'm gonna kind of like do the comparison from the stock exhaust to the AW catback. And I'm really gonna show you guys how loud it got. So I drove it today, like the first day I drove it, people just like, oh my God. Like first it's the ZL1, then they see how loud it is. But hey man, I will see y'all guys on the next video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for your boy, man, so I can get monetized. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, show me a little comment. If you want to see all my videos, especially when I drop, hit that bell. And I will see you guys on the next banger. Smooth Life Ty is out.